Today, the Prime Minister of Uganda has taken a tour to inspect the ongoing road construction project in Kyarwajula, Chira, Kasangati, Matuga in Wakiso district. The Prime Minister met with the managers of the various petrol stations in the areas who have been a significant factor in delaying the road construction project. She emphasized that the government had already allocated funds for the relocation of these stations, but the owners have failed to proceed, instead demanding additional compensation.
Mwe mulisibye katwagala kulaba nga kikuka ate namwe kubo bwe liba tungi mukola.
Minister. The road is not asphalt. We have to get orders from Total Head Office. Then
Nayo njagenda yokuteteyo head office.
Because the engineers have to come on ground and see what is
engineers lwaki tebajja.
After the inspection, the Prime Minister met with the Seco company, the firm handling the construction, along with the contractors and the Minister of State for Works and Transport during the meeting. The Minister highlighted the several challenges faced during the project, including the delayed payments of the contractors and issues related to compensating affected residents.
About the cash flow, the payment. So, because now I know the problem of the formula now is mega to the misworks. So we are also waiting them finish settle themselves, then wait them to pay us.
Compensated people in some place. In some place, people have refused to accept the value that we have given to their property. In some place, we have not compensated at all. So it makes this man to work in dots. He does a place, maybe some 4 kilometers. Then he jumps that where there is controversy. He does again 1 kilometer. Then he jumps it. And so,
in response, the Prime Minister vowed to engage the Inspector General of Government to investigate the compensation issue, stressing that the funds of compensation had already been dispersed.
Because this is criminal. Negligence of duty, abuse of office, including the Directorate of Criminal Investigation. Why? Because if they knew the road was coming, why put that big pipe? And if the ministry did not, we did not communicate among ourselves, where is the problem? Somebody must answer. And these days, the president, you know what he did to Kampala Capital City Authority. Even you people who are handling some of these things. I was about to say, Banangi, can I request the president to again include the army in these compensation things? Because you people are behaving like you are not Ugandans.
The Prime Minister called for the cooperation and emphasizing that the government could not make excessive payments to the owners and that the project must be completed on time.
In our area, I remember Mzee Yombo was paid 80 million. He also had a petrol station. 80 million. Mzee Yombo in Narweyo. 80. He also had to relocate his petrol station. Why pay exorbitantly here? Okay, the value of land in Kampala is a bit higher. Why shouldn't it go beyond the exorbitant like that? Please, don't inflate the values.
In her statement, the Prime Minister emphasized the importance of adhering to the law, noting that the petrol station owners who resist relocation and cause further disruption to the work will face the legal consequences and may receive compensation through the courts.
Tell them, I'm not scaring, we have done it elsewhere. And Juliet, you know this. We shall give them money from the courts of law. I want to thank you once again. Are we done?
we are done.
Richard Nandera for Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.